In the silence before the dawn, still reflects the morning sky. Years of battle carve the path, yet the spirit never dies. Every scar a lesson learned, every step a master's way. Through the storms of countless wars, I remain, I never sway. When shadows rise and darkness calls, the wolf still guards these sacred walls. With steady hands and sharp insight, I lead them through the longest night. I am the blade of the white wolf's soul, forged by honor, strong and whole. Through the fire, through the pain, I will rise again. For my Lord and for my home, never shall I stand alone. Tempest light will guide my way until my final day. Young warriors gather near, seeking strength within my art. Not just skill within the sword, but the courage of the heart. Time may wear the flesh and bone, yet conviction still remains. As long